Peace, peace, peace. This your brother Monroe Jr. I'll be offering my commentary right after this quick clip. Peace.
Meantime, can't wait till they clear the block. We need to see what type of merchandise they come from. I'm with that type of shit, you know that?
Yeah. They send people up with this truck right here. They park in this truck on your block with shoes.
Hey, that's sad, man. Y'all can't put no cases on us and y'all have been in there. Y'all dirty, man. Y'all dirty, man. Y'all dirty, man. Y'all see kids playing ball, y'all park a fucking Nike truck full of Nikes in the ghetto.
They parked the Nike truck right here on 60 truck. It's like a bait truck.
Really? Top for the people, man. That's a setup. It's a bait truck, man.
Bait truck.
Playing ball.
They come
Y'all
and
park an empty Nike truck with Nike boxes in there in the ghetto. In the ghetto.
That's not a conscious decision.
I don't give a fuck. You would have did it in your neighborhood.
No, what the?
Never will. You did it in your neighborhood. But the black people laugh when you do it in their neighborhood. Hey. Y'all just set them.
Meantime, can't wait till they clear the block. We need to see what type of merchandise they come from. I'm with that type of shit, you know that?
Yeah. They send people up with this truck right here. They park in this truck on your block with shoes.
Hey, that's sad, man. Y'all can't put no cases on us and y'all have been in there. Y'all dirty, man. Y'all dirty, man. Y'all dirty, man.
Peace, peace, peace. This your brother Monroe Jr. Yo, shout out to these brothers, man, for recognizing the traps and the snares of our open enemy. Family, he always lays a trap right in what we desire. So they know that young brothers like Nikes, right? Right? They know we like Jordans, right? So what better way to entrap us, like the brother said, if this is factual, but it's a good trap. This is how they operate, whether that's what their intentions was or not. What better way, to get our young people than to, like the brother said, right by the Nike court, right by the basketball court, put a big truck full of Nikes. But see, that's just like what I heard Boys Watkins say about in Chicago, how they leave boxes full of guns in alleys, right? We don't go to the gun store and get our guns. We get our guns on the black market. And a lot of times we don't even know how to shoot them properly. So a lot of times, or we get guns that are not intact, and we end up killing little children because we not properly trained or we don't have the proper equipment. But this is how our enemies get down, family. We have to learn how to think one step ahead of our enemies, because they're always thinking many steps ahead of us, and we got to be looking for that potential snare or trap that they're laying for us. They're always laying traps for us, every turn, every corner. You know what I'm saying? So we have FBI agents in the black community. They black just like you and me, brothers and sisters. And especially if they see any potential leadership in you or me or us, you can please believe you got a profile, and you might have informants around you, right? So we all have to be very wise in our maneuvers, brothers and sisters. But salute to these brothers in Chicago, who picked up on that, man, and saw the potential danger in that. Salute to these brothers, man. This your brother Monroe Jr. I'm signing off. Peace.